Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick image of a clenched fist, but it is from an angle, something like that. So if you have your pencils ready, we will draw. It's easier than you think. So we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you can just put those 8 lines and those angles, we are somewhat off to the races. We're going to put this line over here, and then from here on we sketch out first wrist, and there is the thumb, because the thumb comes over in whatever part the other fingers. So to go like that, that is the thumbnail, the thumb itself. How big, how small, it will all depend on what we are looking to do there. So what that means is that the size varies with the perspective, with the angle that you are shooting this at. So this is the middle finger right there. That is the index finger. Perhaps a skin fold there. Call them like finger folds. And then right there we have pretty much a repeat exercise, but we have to make sure that the knuckles are now placed lower than this. This is the highest point. It is the tallest finger. And there is the smallest finger bent and shown by the skin folds, and we go back. So I went like this, so you don't need to draw fine lines like that all through. Just go like that and use very light strokes, and you should be fine for accuracy. And in case there's a mistake, there's more skin folds right there. Skin folds or finger folds, whatever you would like to call them. And how much bulky or thin it is all up to you. So there we have it. Now if I were to put some shadows in, of course, let's say the light source is coming down like that, that casts an immediate shadow right there. So you can highlight this area, darken certain areas. And if you're going into extra details, of course you will put in realistic skin folds. By looking at your own hand, you will be able to do this best, because you don't need to be glued to an image on the screen while you're doing this. So I'm just randomly going and putting in like very, very basic crosshatch. We are. And of course the palm highlight there, although not necessary. It will all depend again how much the light is farther from those areas, and they need not be highlighted exactly as I've done here. Again, when you move, twist the clenched fist, you will see that different effects are achieved. But here is one. There's the bulging vein right there in the wrist. I'm going to just put that in for kicks some more process. So there we have it. Quick exercise in putting down a clenched fist with some tones to highlight certain anatomy. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.